Hi, this is Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz E-Class E300 in silver with a black interior. There's the 4MATIC Mercedes-Benz and E300 badging. Power opening and closing of the trunk. We have blind spot assist, as well as a sunroof there. Memory seats, door controls. Says 19,965 for miles. It's the Mercedes-Benz shifter, steering wheel controls, climate controls, center console, navigation system, radio, and backup camera. If you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any others, see us at feldmannimports.com.